By using the Zoom app, you can switch from taking a meeting on your computer to your phone seamlessly. All you'll need to use this feature is your Zoom app, which can be downloaded on the Apple or Android store. Once you have downloaded and opened the Zoom app, you'll need to sign into the same account that you are logged into on your computer. For Stony Brook users, select Continue with SSO to sign in. Then you will be prompted to enter in your domain name. Here, type Stony Brook, all one word, and hit Continue. Then your default web browser will open on your phone, where you can sign in using your NetID and password. After you are signed in, make sure you are in the Meetings tab. If you are currently in a Zoom meeting on your computer, you'll notice a message showing that you are in a meeting in progress. If you select the Switch button on this message, it will move you in the meeting from your computer to your phone. If you would like to move the meeting back to your computer, open the Zoom desktop app on your device. On the home screen, you'll notice that you have a meeting in progress. Select the Switch button here to switch your meeting back to your computer. Thank you for watching. For more content, please subscribe to our channel.